Hello students, my name is Aditya Kashyap and today we will discuss synergic bonding. Synergic bonding is a special type of bonding which is formed between central metal atom and pi acid ligand. So before we understand synergic bonding, first we need to understand what is pi acid ligand. A very famous example of pi acid ligand is a carbon monoxide or carbonyl ligand. The carbonyl ligand has two bonds between carbon and oxygen, and to complete the octet of both the oxygen, the lone pair of oxygen coordinate with the carbon so that the octet of both the atom have satisfied. Let's say another structure of carbon monoxide can be, or carbonyl ligand can be shown like triple bond between carbon and oxygen. Oxygen has positive charge and carbon has negative charge, so that the octet of both the atom are satisfied. In this case, we have seen that the molecular orbital diagram of carbonyl in chemical bonding, that the lone pair of on carbon reside in non-bonding molecular orbital, and it has also a vacant molecular orbital which is pi star anti-bonding molecular orbital. So this vacant molecular orbital makes it a pi acid ligand. Any ligand which has vacant molecular orbital is a pi acid ligand. Now let us understand synergic bonding. What is synergic bonding? As I have already said, it is a special type of bonding. The synergic bonding takes place in two steps. In the first step, the central metal atom has vacant hybrid orbital and carbon has filled non-bonding molecular orbital. So I am showing filled molecular orbital by shaded area. This is the carbonyl ligand in which transfer of electron cloud takes place from non-bonding molecular orbital of carbonyl to the vacant hybrid bonding molecular orbital of central metal atom. This is an axial overlapping, so it is a sigma bond. It happens in all cases of ligand, but the special bonding takes place in which the orbital of the central metal atom has filled orbital. It has filled orbital, and carbonyl has a vacant anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is pi star bonding, anti-bonding. In this case, the transfer of electron cloud takes place from central metal atom to the vacant anti-bonding molecular orbital of ligand, and this is non-axial overlapping, so it is a pi bond. It is also said that it is a back bonding in metal and carbonyl, and this special type of bond is called synergic bond. Synergic bond. This is also an example of back bonding. So due to formation of synergic bonding, what happens is that metal and carbon bond strength, bond order increases, metal and carbon bond order increases, and carbon and oxygen bond order decreases. Let us say bond order of metal, this is the bond between metal and carbon, the bond order increases due to formation of an extra bond, and the bond order of carbon and oxygen decreases. So what will be the bond length? If bond order increases, so bond length decreases, and if bond order decreases, then bond length will increase, and bond energy is directly proportional to bond order. So if bond order increases, bond energy increases, if bond order decreases, bond energy decreases, bond energy decreases. If bond order decreases, bond energy decreases. So this is synergic bonding.